Hello everyone, today I am here to talk about a very important topic for our bones and overall health: osteoporosis. Did you know that 1 in 2 women and 1 in 3 men will experience an osteoporotic fracture at some point in their lives? As we age, bone density naturally decreases and the risk of fractures increases. But did you also know that you can slow down and even reverse this process by choosing the right nutrition and lifestyle? Low bone density, or osteoporosis, can lead to brittle bones that are more prone to breaking. As a result, osteoporotic fractures can be painful, limit mobility, and increase the risk of further injury. But it doesn't have to be that way. By understanding your risk factors, adopting a healthy lifestyle, and taking specific supplements, you can improve your bone density and reduce your risk of osteoporosis. First of all, make sure you have enough of the right foods in your diet. Eating foods rich in calcium, vitamin D, and protein is essential for building and maintaining strong bones. Good options include leafy greens, fortified cereals, legumes, dairy products, and lean meats. Remember to stay hydrated, as dehydration can also contribute to bone loss. Also, consider regular exercise. Weight-bearing exercises such as walking, jogging, and resistance training help build and maintain bone density. However, it is important to consult your doctor before starting any exercise program. Finally, pay attention to your weight. Being overweight or obese can reduce bone density, so maintain a healthy weight to reduce your risk of osteoporosis. Incorporate these simple habits into your daily routine, and you'll be well on your way to a happier, healthier bone density. Remember that your bones are strong, and your body deserves to feel confident in its abilities. So take care of your bones and watch your quality of life rise.